Hi, I'm Denise, and this is a quick video to show you how to generate your student code so you can give links to your students and they can go right to the site. You go up to your dashboard and select student code. And the first time you come to this, it's not going to say enter the code, it's going to say generate my class code. And you simply click it and it'll generate a code unique to you. That becomes the code for you and your students as long as you're a subscriber to Musicplay Online. It won't change. And the code is going to embed automatically into any activities that you do. So you don't actually even have to remember the code. You just have to generate it once and then you're good to go. So let me show you what you can do with that code. If I go to a song, I'm going to go to the song Mountaintop Monster, and I want the kids to watch the lyrics video. And this is what it will look like if I copy a link. And then for the students, this is what they'll see if they click on that link. So you can put that link into Seesaw or into your Google Classroom, and your students click on it. They automatically will go to this exact same place. They're going to go back to the same video. So I'll show you. I'm going to create an incognito window, and that's just so I see what the students see. So when students click on that link, they're going to see we're going to use Mountaintop Monster. I access now as a student. The code is already embedded here. I don't have to put anything in. And then I click Access Some Fun, and I'm to the exact spot that I linked. So it works for songs, it works for games, it works for interactive activities. You can embed that link and give it to your students. They'll go directly to what you want them to access.